If you want to fix volume control button not working on Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max, you are at the right place. We have got the best processes for it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Change the Fire Stick remote batteries. Your Fire Stick remote's batteries could just be flat or low on power. Try replacing them with newer batteries. Or you can put them out for some minutes and again put them in to get results. Method 2. Change the settings. If the above method has to give you results, then you should go to your Fire TV home screen and select controller and Bluetooth device settings. And then just see if there is a simple update for your remote. So select your remote right here on the top and see if there is an update. So if you select it again, there will be a prompt for an update if there is one available. Then come back to the main settings menu and go on over to equipment control. Then go to equipment control right here and make sure this is turned on to automatic. Then go to manage equipment. Now let's go to TV. Then go on down to where it says change TV and go to change TV and make sure you have the correct TV listed under here. Otherwise, this won't be working. So select the correct TV option right here. Now go to the next screen and you have to press the power button to turn off your TV. Next, wait 10 seconds and then press again to turn it back on. Then select yes. Now play any video during the next step. Please make sure the volume is turned up, then continue. With your Fire TV mode, point out your TV toggle volume up and down buttons and come out of the expected audio device. You can either select yes or no, or you can press the button with the 3 lines on it to go to the advanced setup. Now you can enter in the specific IR profile for the remote. So you can either select yes or no now, and your remote should be good to go. Now you can reboot your Fire Stick and TV both to get the accurate results. Method 3. Reset your Fire Stick remote. Unplug your Fire Stick and wait for 60 seconds. Now press left plus menu plus back for 12 seconds and remove the batteries. Now plug your Fire Stick back in and put the batteries back in and press home. In this way, you can reset your Fire Stick remote and that will work again. Or, instead of left plus menu plus back, the Basic Edition remote uses just home plus menu, while the Alexa voice remote uses home plus left in the above reset process. And there you have it. These 3 processes will help when you want to fix volume control button not working on Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.